Hey everyone! Today we're diving into how to use the new Instant Storyboard feature in Dzine, a powerful tool that lets you maintain consistent characters, objects, and backgrounds across your AI-generated images, all while building directly from your sketch. Let's take a look at how it works. First, open the Instant Storyboard tool from the globe sidebar on the right side of your screen. Here you can upload up to 3 reference images. These can include a character image, a prop or object, a background, or even a layout sketch. These references help guide visual consistency throughout your design. Next, in the text box below, describe the scene you want to generate. Be as specific as possible about which elements should come from which reference. For example, you might want the character from image 1 and the background from image 2. To link your prompt to a reference image, type @ and Dzine will display thumbnails of your uploaded images with numbers. Simply click to insert the ones you want to use in your prompt. Then, choose your image quality and aspect ratio, click Generate, and you're done. You now have an image featuring your chosen character in the exact scene you wanted. This feature works not only for animated characters, but also for realistic human portraits, and supports sketch-based generation as well. Just follow the same steps to upload your reference images. Each image needs to be uploaded individually, one at a time. Then enter your prompt here. For sketches, you can type, "Learn the character's facing direction and composition from image 1, and Dzine will generate your image accordingly." Once you finish writing the prompt, click Generate to create an image that reflects your intended character actions and object composition. Additionally, one of the most powerful features of Instant Storyboard is its ability to keep multiple characters consistent within a single image. Simply upload photos of each character here. Then describe their actions in the text box below. Click Generate, and you'll get the result you're looking for. Additionally, besides uploading an image directly, you can also use a character you've built in the Character tool. Simply click on the blank image area, select Character, then choose the character you want to use. After that, upload any reference images and describe the scene in the text box. Finally, click Generate to get the image you want. Now you know how to use Dzine's Instant Storyboard tool to bring structure and consistency to your creative projects. Don't forget to follow our channel for more updates. See you next time!